Anker is beating Apple to the punch as far as magnetic battery packs for the MagSafe capable iPhones, the new iPhones. That would be the iPhone 12s, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. It is called the PowerCore Magnetic 5K Wireless Power Bank, and it magnetically attaches to the back of your iPhone, which of course gets rid of the need to carry a cable with you with your battery bank, which is kind of nice. Everything smoothly fits into the pocket. You're not messing with any cables. Now, coming from the last story, a lot of people, particularly in the comment section over here on Mac Rumors, tend to get upset at the fact that you're not getting the most efficiency here, as opposed to if you did have a cable. There's going to be some lost power, which may bother you with an external battery bank. I personally love the convenience of not needing a cable to be present. The whole thing feels a little more slick. Anyway, this device should be capable of completely recharging the iPhone 12 mini from 0 to 100. Regular iPhone 12 will go from 0 to 95%, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will go from 0 to 75%, according to Anker. Now, since this is not an official Apple product, it will be limited to 5-watt wireless charging compared to what Apple will likely deliver with its wireless charger or wireless battery pack, which should be capable of going up to 15 watts, like their MagSafe charger. But you can order this now, and likely for a lot less than whatever Apple is probably going to charge for theirs. As you can see here, it's on pre-order on Amazon. It will be in stock March 17th, and the asking price is $39.99. So it'd be hard to imagine that Apple will be around that range. I'm actually curious when they do the product where they'll put it. It feels to me it could be anywhere between 50 and 100, anywhere in there.
Right.
Maybe could it be more than 100? When they sold the battery case, what did they sell that for? They probably still sell it. It was a battery case. I guess the iPhone 11 probably even had it. I can't remember. Woof. Yes. So the battery case for 11 was $129. So let's just think about that for a second. It's possible that we get close to that $100 price point, which would make the Anker even more attractive at $39.99. But of course, it's going to be cheaper. That's their play, speed and cheapness. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that could be useful for people. You know, the thing about it for me is I'm not traveling as much anymore. So the external battery thing would have been a thing I would have been using all the time. And I'm really not using it that much anymore. But the world is about to open back up to a certain extent. And then everybody's going to want these things as they travel around.